So we can close this terminal. Actually, we need it again. So the tool for this task is xschem. And to load the PDK inside the tool, a RC file called xschem.rc should be linked or copied inside the directory that will be used for the design. So first, we need to make a directory with any name you would like. I will choose tutorial. Okay, I already have a directory with the same name. Simply I can remove it and make it again. Okay, you can choose any name you would like. Now, I will link the file that we talked about, which is located in PDK root, PDK libs.tech xschem RC. Now we can run the tool. As you see, I got some error. These errors, we need to solve it. So simply, we will be editing the xschem RC file. So first, we need to search for xschem library path. Here, when you see environment pwd, we will change it to pdk root. pdk libs.tech xschem. Second, we will need to go to the latest lines. As you see here, this line, which calls ngSpice models, we will need to convert it to PDK root in PDK libs.tech ngSpice. Now we need to save the file, close it, and running the tool again. You see the error is still there because we need to copying two directories. So the first directory will be tests, which we need to make it gf180mcu tests. Second, we need to copy another directory called symbols into this directory with a new name called gf180mcu fdpr. Now we can run the tool again. As we see, we only got a warning of overlapping, which isn't a problem, but here everything is running okay. As you see, we got some symbols. If we select some object of these and press E to get inside it, you can see everything is now working. You can left click mouse with control key to view the simulation, and if you want to run simulation, we can use this block, but by pressing Q we can edit this to ngSpice, not spice. Press OK and save. Yes. Now xschem is ready to run. You can press F to fit everything.